Let's draw a brave lion, the king of the jungle. With a proud mane and a fearless roar, this lion is ready for any adventure. Let's get creative.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow.
Lions are often called kings of the jungle. Did you know that they actually live in grasslands and savannas? Not jungles. Observe how the lion's eyes opened.
He had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere up.
He likes to take in its surroundings.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog,
A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Talk about being loud and proud.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks.
Male lions have big, fluffy manes to protect their necks during fights and to show off their strength.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm,
Female lions are the main hunters in their pride.
farm he had some
They work together to catch food for everyone.
with a here and a there, here up, there up, everywhere up. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Perfect!
Old
Our brave lion looks amazing, standing tall and proud. Now, it's time to bring him to life with colors.
Mary had a little lamb, little
Grab your favorite colors and let's give him bold, bright shades.
little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went,
A group of lions is called a pride, and it can have up to 30 members.
lamb was sure to
That's a big family.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh.
Lions love to nap.
See a lamb at school.
They can sleep for up to 20 hours a day.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till
They're
then
fast runners and can sprint at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour for short distances.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos.
Had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell.
Lion cubs have spots on their fur when they're born, which disappear as they grow older.
The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse.
Lions are social animals and love playing with each other, especially the cubs.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Ancient cultures admired lions, often carving them into statues as symbols of courage and strength.
The dog takes the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese.
Yay!
The mouse
Our colorful lions are fantastic. We've made the king of the jungle look so brave and stunning. Share our drawings and tell them all about our creative adventures.
stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
We had so much fun drawing together today. See you next time.